Didn't you have a piece to do about haters?
Yeah. I can, I'm doing a piece. And this is not written out. This is live. I'm gonna do a piece about what I call haters. And I've been in this game since the 80s. And I've been through so much. Finally, I put out an album. But what I see that haters is people that don't understand what you are actually doing. Don't want to accept your music or your form of fashion to what you put into to what you do wholeheartedly as far as entertainment. Some people are scared of the new transform that you do, that's scared that's going to wipe them out. But me, I share the royalties as far as what I do. I'm not a hater. I commend everybody on what they do as far as poetry, as far as rap, as far as dancing, whatever way you want to express yourself as you being you and you being realistic to you being real, as far as putting it out there for people that you want to entertain. Now, a hater to me is someone that loves your music. It's kind of mysterious because they love your music so much they hate what they do. So the thing is, don't pluck the things out of my eye from what you see, from what I'm doing, because you don't understand my form and fashion. Just congratulate it. Don't hate it, because it's going to be a new wave to where I'm going to seep into the cracks that you don't want me to seep into to fulfill to hold it solid as far as what you understand and what I'm doing. So I done ran into a couple people that love my music but also show the hating part of what I'm doing because it may seem better to them than what they're doing. But in actuality, I can put you on the next level to where what I'm doing, you also can do because I share. I don't hate to where you can't excel to a lot of things that you are doing. As far as my music, it's techno, hip-hop, blues, jazz. And a lot of people don't understand my form of fashion, and they scared that if I get into that door, that what they're doing will be wiped out. And I'm the type of person that won't wipe it out. Actually, I'll blend it in to where everybody can enjoy the entertainment that you're doing, that I am doing, and not hating on the style that I'm doing because I'm keeping it real with myself as far as putting it out there 100%, no matter what I do, because I entertain. That's what I do, and that's what you should do. It's to make the people happy as well as yourself, not to hate on what I'm doing, because the thing is when you hate, you lose out on really being a person that can make you greater than your expectations and your needs for Father, what you're doing in life. So to me, a hater, it makes me greater. And that's the way that I see it, because I know they love my music and I know they love my style, but the thing that I'm doing, they got it twisted to where it'll erase their style. But you can get with me and blend it together and make people happy for you being an entertainer. Just don't be a hater, be a congratulator.